These are the sampling techniques that we'll typically use in statistics. First, we have simple random sampling, which we mentioned before. It ensures that each participant has the same chance of being selected. It ensures unbiased using. Um, that's the method of sampling. But to ensure that you have a simple random sample, um, you just calculate if each participant has had the same chance of being selected. Um, Stratified sampling is dividing the population into non-overlapping groups, which are called strata, that share similar characteristics, then perform simple random sampling within each group. It provides more specificity. Um, it's like surveying 100 people from a university, but like maybe doing 33 students, 33 staff, 33 janitors, or 34 janitors, and then doing simple random sampling within those strata. Um, Systematic sampling is kind of like a interval-based sampling. You select every kth individual from the population, starting at a random number between 1 and k. That sounds kind of complicated, but all it means is that, let's say k is 2, or let's just say 7, because I have an example right here. Um, every 7 people, you survey them, and we start at a number between 1 and k. So if we start at 5, then we calculate, or then we survey a customer and target. We survey the fifth customer, and then we'll survey every 7 customers. So it'll be the 12th customer, the 19th customer, the 26th customer, 34th customer, or 33rd customer, and so on and so forth. And to calculate K, you just divide the population by the sample size and round down. Um, we're not too sure how that works. Um, but oh no, each because the sample size times k is equal to the population because that's every few people, and then you round down. So that's how that works. Cluster sampling is dividing population into groups or clusters, randomly selecting some, and surveying all individuals in those selected clusters. This differs from stratified sampling because cluster sampling is dividing unbiasedly. You're just dividing it into categories that are probably diverse within each group. Whereas strata, you're identifying characteristics that are similar and then separating it that way. So, for example, if we're trying to study people at a school, stratified sampling means that you would separate the basketball players, the football players, and then survey each one individually using simple random sampling. Cluster sampling is just dividing population into groups, selecting some, and surveying the individuals in those selected clusters. You use these when a full list of individuals are unknown but groups are known, such as blocks or cities. Um, so yeah, you're just making sure that it's equally diverse within each group. And these are just some other ones which are kind of unconventional. I mean, convenience sampling, you should never do this. Um, that's like surveying your classroom because they're right next to you, or surveying your family. Obviously, there's going to be some bias. You guys might share the same teacher, and you can't isolate the you can't isolate the effect to a cause. Well, it's just inconvenient. You shouldn't do it. And multi-stage sampling is just combining different sampling techniques across different stages, kind of like an eclectic approach to the situation. So